What if I told you I turned a few spreadsheets into a four-figure passive income stream and you can too? I created a digital product business bundle with 5 high-demand, fully editable Google Sheets templates that you can sell under your own name. Here's a look at what's inside the bundle. 1, the monthly budget tracker. 2, the annual budget tracker. 3, the 12-month weight loss tracker. 4, the monthly habit tracker. And finally, the annual habit tracker. Each one includes several color options and detailed setup guides in both video and PDF form, perfect for you and the people you sell it to. But that's just one part of the bundle. Here's the rest of what's inside. 1, a marketing guide. This book breaks down each tracker's features and benefits so you can confidently describe, market, and sell them. 2, a sales guide. This book shows you exactly where to sell your trackers, breaking down the 4 best platforms I've personally tested. 3, a packaging guide. This book gives you practical tips on how to bundle, price, and present your templates for maximum profit. 4, an upload and launch checklist guide. This book walks you through the entire upload to launch process. You'll also get a private label rights license to edit and sell these templates as your own, plus access to our private Facebook community, and you'll have direct support from me if you ever need help. This bundle is designed for people who want to start a digital business fast without creating everything from the ground up. Now let's talk money. If you sell the templates at $10 to $15 each, or offer the full set for $30 to $70, you'll only need 3 to 5 sales, and your initial investment pays for itself. From that point on, it's pure profit. This is the kind of business where you only need to upload the files once and get paid again and again without lifting a finger. Now here's the thing. To preserve the value and avoid oversaturation, I'm only making a small number available at a time. After each batch is gone, I'll temporarily close access so early users can launch without immediate competition. So if you're here now, congratulations, you're early. Click the link in my description, grab your business bundle, and join the next cohort before doors close. Or just comment link and I'll send the link straight to you.